Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Sylvia Castellino and today I'm going to give you the information on what to do if you have COVID-19. If you like this video, if you find this video informative, please share it with your friends and family. Let's help each other out. So the first thing, stay calm. Yes, stay calm, do not panic. I know it's easier said than done. I understand what you must be going through right now. But it's really important that you do not panic, do not overthink, don't overanalyze anything at this moment. Just calm down, let that whole thing just sink in that yes, okay, you are COVID-19 positive and that's fine. Because majority of the patients who are infected are either asymptomatic or they only have very mild infection or maybe just moderate, but do not panic. Okay, second thing, please consult a doctor, give them all the information that they need, let them know what's going on. If you have any problem with breathing or anything, give them all the information. I'm sure that they'll give their 100% to help you out. The third thing, isolate yourself. Yes, because you do not want your family members to get infected if they're not already. The next thing you need to do is to keep yourself hydrated. Okay, consume a lot of water, at least 2 to 3 liters per day. Now, any illness related to your heart and your kidney, and your doctor has already advised you to take limited amount of water, please follow that. But otherwise, please keep yourself hydrated. 2 to 3 liters of water is really important for your body. Eat well. You need to consume a lot of protein and high fiber diet. Avoid fatty food, especially if you have sore throat and cough. Avoid that. Check your oxygen level a few times a day. Okay, because a lot of patients actually do not realize that their oxygen levels are dropping down, and by the time they realize it, it is actually quite late, and it becomes really difficult to help a patient with that problem. What you need to do is to check your oxygen level few times, morning, afternoon, in the evening. Okay, make sure that it is always about above 95%. The next thing you need to do is to not take anything without the doctor's consultation. So only have medications that your doctor has prescribed you. Basically, on WhatsApp and on Instagram, we're seeing these images where they've given the whole line of treatment. Please do not follow that. Do not prescribe yourself anything. Okay, consult a doctor, because everything has its own side effect. Okay. Rest and relax. Okay, I know it's going yourself down. It's very important, and relax. Watch something, anything that you like. If you find this video informative, do share it with your friends and family. Help each other out. And I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Take care of yourself. Wear your mask properly. Take care. See you.